Welcome to the taxsoftware.com 1099 miscellaneous product demo. Today we'll be going over how to file a 1099 miscellaneous using the taxsoftware.com App Store app. First thing you should know is that you do not need a taxsoftware.com 1099 miscellaneous form unless you have paid $600 in rents, services, checks, or cash. If you have paid out a W-2, you do not need this product, for example. Alright, from here, from the screen from the desktop, after you have downloaded the taxsoftware.com TaxSoft product, you can go ahead and open it up. You'll see a tip of the day holding a helpful hint on completing your tax return successfully. Alright, from this screen you'll see the various choices of tax returns that you can do using this tax software product. For today's example, we'll be choosing the 1099 miscellaneous. You can select it by clicking on the little bubble next to the name. Then click Next. From the next page, you can enter the EIN or SSN of the income payer, and you can also put in the payer's name. From this page, you can then enter the address of the payer, the city of the payer, the state of the payer, through a very handy menu that you can move up and down, and their zip code. On the next page, you can opt in to getting the full service mailing package, which is where taxsoftware.com will mail out the 1099 miscellaneous to every one of your recipients. This is not a must, this is optional. The cost is $2.50 per recipient, and even if you do not choose this option, your tax return will be reported to the IRS. Alright, from the next page, you can access the first recipient information entering page. You can enter their name, the name controller if they have one, their EIN or SSN, their street address, city, state again, and their zip code. If they have an account number, this is where you enter it. If not, well then the IRS will automatically assign one to it. From the next page, you enter the income, for example rents, royalties, and other income, and also income tax withheld by the IRS and feds. Here we have an $80 for withholding, for example. If you have another recipient, you can mark this box at the bottom, click Next, and you'll fill in another 1099 miscellaneous form. For this example, we're only using one recipient. Alright, then we have this 1099 summary page. Total number of forms, 1 in our case. Total income tax withheld, $80, and total amount of income reported on this form is $694. You can also mark if this is your final return. From the next page, you can enter your email address so that the IRS can send you an email letting you know that they have accepted and received your tax return. Also, since this is the last page in the tax return, you can go ahead and click Preview to view your actual tax return printout. And from this area, you can actually print to a printer by clicking the Print button. So good. It was going so well.